Hello students, welcome back to your class. So today we are going to see mean deviation from median. Okay, so this is discrete series. We have completed individual series in the previous classes. So we are today going to see discrete series mean deviation from median. Okay, now the formula is mean deviation is equal to summation f into d bar divided by n, and the coefficient of mean deviation is equal to mean deviation divided by median. So why I have written here as median, you can see that in this particular formula I have given here in the denominator as median. So why have I given this median here? Because the question is calculate mean deviation from median. Okay, so that is why I've taken the formula as mean deviation divided by median. Okay, so always remember that whenever the question is calculate mean deviation from median, then you have to divide it by median. Or if the question is calculate mean deviation from mean, then you have to divide it by x bar. That is, coefficient of mean deviation should be divided by x bar. Okay, so this is a formula. Now let us look into the problem. So the question is calculate mean deviation from median, and I've given you x and f values. Okay, x and f. So if you find like this x and f, it comes under which series? It comes under discrete series. Okay, if only x is given, then it comes under individual series. So here in this particular problem, we have both x and f. Therefore, it comes under discrete series. Okay. Now, the first step is, I've asked the question as calculate mean deviation from median. So, for median, we have to find out cumulative frequency. Do you remember? In median discrete series, when x and f is given, we have to calculate cumulative frequency, that is CF. Do you remember the formula CF? Okay, now so I have calculated CF for this question. So how to calculate? Let us recall. So first value, that is for this is F. Okay, this is F. So the first value is taken and written as 8. Then the next is 8 plus 12, that is 20. It goes on. So finally you have to see that the n, that is the highest value in cumulative frequency 135, and n should be the same. So here n means that is summation f. What is n? N is summation f. Okay. Now let us move on to the formula. That is, we have to find out median first. So that for that we have calculated CF, and now we are going to apply the median formula. What is the median formula? Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Okay, therefore, for in the place of n, we have to take it as 135. What is the n here? So in this question I have given you what is the n here? N is equal to 135. Therefore, we have to take in the place of n as 135. Okay, so 135 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 136 divided by 2, that is equal to 47. If we divide, it is 68. Okay, if we divide, what is the answer? It is 68. Is this the answer? 68 அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கலாமா median? No. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்ம cumulative frequency இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். So 68 இருக்கான்னு பாருங்க. Previous table போய் பாருங்க. 68 இருக்கா? இல்லை. ஆனால் அதுக்கு அடுத்து இருக்கக்கூடிய highest value என்னது? 74. நான் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன், இப்போ 68 இல்லை அப்படின்னா cumulative frequencyயில் பார்க்கணும். ஸோ அந்த cumulative frequencyயில் வந்து 68 இருக்கான்னு பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ அது இல்லை. ஸோ அதுக்கு அடுத்து இருக்கக்கூடிய highest value வந்து 74. Okay, we have to find out this value which is higher than the median values. Okay, that is 74. Therefore, corresponding to the median value, that is x value, that is 47. Okay, therefore, median is equal to 47. So, here you see this is the answer. Median is equal to 47. Okay, now we have found out the median. We have found out the median. Now let us move on to the next step. So what should we do? Here I have given you in the table, like we have calculated in the question, it was given x and f. We have calculated till CF, isn't it? We have calculated till CF. Now we have to calculate d bar. Always remember, for mean deviation, we have to calculate d bar. What is d bar? D bar is equal to x minus median. So the x values, all the x values has to be subtracted from the median value. So what was the median value that we got? That is 47. So we have to subtract all the x values from this median value, that is minus 47. So 12 minus 47, what is the answer? 35. So always remember, for mean deviation we have to ignore the signs. Okay, negative, minus or plus, all the values should be taken as positive values. Therefore I am writing here 12 minus 47 as 35. I am not writing it as minus 35. Minus nu எழுதக்கூடாது. எல்லா values என்ன பண்ணணும், mean deviation பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் we have to take only the difference. What is the value? அந்த value மட்டும் எடுத்தா போதும். மைனஸ் அப்படிங்கிறத இக்னோர் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஸோ இந்த சிமிலர் வே அதை மற்ற எல்லா எக்ஸ் வேல்யூஸ்க்கும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், we have to calculate the d bar value. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து அடுத்து வந்து 18 minus 47, that is 29. Then 25 minus 47, that is 22. So similarly we have to calculate the d bar for all the x values. Then the last column is f into d bar. What is f into d bar? We have to multiply f value and the d bar value. Okay, so f into d bar, that is 8 into 35. So the first value is 8 into 35, that is equal to 280. Similarly we have to calculate all the values, that is f into d bar அப்படிங்கிறத வந்து நம்ம multiply பண்ணிக்கணும். f value first value என்ன இருக்கு 8, d bar value என்ன இருக்கு 35. So 8 into 35, that is equal to 280. What is the next value? That is 12 into 29, that is equal to 348. Then 15 into 22, that is 330. So similarly we have to calculate all the values for f into d bar, and the total is summation f into d bar is equal to 2179. Sorry, yeah. Then n is 135. n வந்து நம்ம எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம்னு சொல்லிக்கிறேன், summation f னு சொல்லலாம். சரியா, summation f is equal to 135 அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். So this is what we have got in the table. So summation f into d bar value is 2179 and n is equal to 135. Okay, n is equal to 135. So now the step 2 is we have to find out the median. So the first formula in this particular problem was we have to calculate the median. So median value is 47. Now we have to find out the mean deviation. So mean deviation, what is the formula? Mean deviation is equal to summation f into d bar divided by n. Okay, that is equal to 2179 divided by 135. So if we divide, what is the answer? 16.14. Okay, then we have to calculate the coefficient of mean deviation also. What is the formula for coefficient of mean deviation? That is mean deviation divided by median. The 16.14 divided by 47. So mean deviation value என்ன கண்டுச்சு நமக்கு 16.14. So அதை தான் நம்ம வந்து இங்கே எடுத்திருக்கோம். 16.14 divided by 47, that is 0.34. So this is the coefficient of mean deviation value. I hope all understood this problem. So I have given you a homework problem also. Look here, what is this? Calculate mean deviation about median and its relative measure. Relative measure means what? It is coefficient of mean deviation. We have to calculate both mean deviation as well as the coefficient of mean deviation for this particular problem. So x value and f value is given. What are the x values? 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. And the frequency values are 12, 11, 10, 15, 22, 13, 18, 9. So this is a homework problem. Just work it out and post it in the Google Classroom. Okay, then only you will be getting your attendance. So always remember, you have to complete your homework and post it in the Google Classroom. So if you have any doubt, you can just repeat the video once again and check it out. Okay, thank you dear students. Let me see you in the next class. Thank you.